guys, welcome back to my channel. Cadence wanted to come say hi for a little bit. Hi. She is hanging out with me and she's also playing a lot with the kitties.
Yes.
So I just wanted to come and make a video. I actually am about to decorate some cookies and I thought I'm gonna record it because I just want to. So what I'm making today are
Mickey cookies.
Mickey cookies. We have a Disney themed volunteer night tonight at church. Woo! Cadence is so excited.
And I got a new dress.
She got a new Minnie Mouse dress.
And I got Minnie Mouse ears.
Yeah, she
I'll
does.
show you.
So tonight is Disney themed and I was asked to make something as a treat. And I was like, well, duh. So I'm gonna make some Disney cookies. Cadence got some new Minnie ears. We have 18,000 Minnie ears, but this one matches her new dress perfectly.
Yes.
So I've already made the cookies last night, and now they're just ready to be decorated. I have them stored in a Ziploc baggie, but I have Mickey, the Mickey head.
And ears.
The Mickey head and the ears.
I just kind of want to eat it.
So I'm gonna do the Mickey's head first. I made so many. Volunteer night is, there's a lot of people that come to a volunteer night at church, and I was asked to make 75.
75?
But I couldn't just do 75 because what if there's more people that come? So I'm gonna decorate as many as I can and we'll go from there. But I quadrupled the batch of cookies. That's a lot of dough. I'm not gonna take them out of the baggies yet, but I also made little Mickey hands, like his glove. So I'm going to decorate it like his glove. It's just white with,
Yeah, it's just white. And
So my kitchen's a mess and I am okay with it. I'm gonna get to decorating these cookies. I have other videos that I've decorated cookies before that I've posted on YouTube. So I'm going to link those videos below as well as the cookie recipe and the frosting recipe. This is just royal icing. These are my go-to. I've made both of these cookies and frosting recipes in every one of my videos that I've made. I've only made 2 cookie decorating videos. One was cactuses and the other was 4th of July.
Yeah.
That's what it was. 4th of July cookies. So anyways, I'm going to do this. I'm so excited. I'm going to keep it semi-simple only because I don't have a lot of time there. They need to be ready by tonight. So I'm just gonna try and keep it simple, but I'm also just going to try and whiz through it. So I'll leave the links below. And all of my tips and tricks that I've said have been in previous videos, so go check those out if you are interested to know my setup. It's also super simple and it's not actually that difficult. You just have to find a good routine that helps set you up for success. So anyways, I'm gonna make some Mickey cookies and I'm really excited about it. So I'm gonna zoom you guys closer and have you guys watch the process of me frosting them, piping them, and flooding them is what it's called. So I'm gonna pipe it and then I'm gonna flood it and then I'm gonna decorate, like I'm gonna put some polka dots and stuff inside the Mickey head, so that'll be fun. So I'm gonna take you guys on for the journey. So here we go.
Yay!
Trying to figure out my game plan because if I outline them too soon, it dries. You see how it's drying? It's drying faster than I can fill it in. So I think I should only do like 2 at a time before I move on. I think I've found my system with these cookies specifically, is that I'm going to need to do them all like individually, one at a time. I have changed to this bottle because it's too runny. I can't get good control of it. The nozzle is pointing downwards constantly. It's just oozing out. So if I have it upright, it won't ooze out and I have control over how much comes out. Okay, and these are the Mickey Mouse gloves. I'm going to do it all white, and then I'm gonna do 3 black stripes on the top, but I'm gonna wait until they dry. That way it's raised up above the white. Okay, all of my hands are done. So now I'm going to put the stripes on them. There's like 3 little stripes to kind of make the look of the glove, Mickey's glove. Then I will be officially finished. Okay guys, that's it. I hope that you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe. If you haven't yet, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell. It alerts you when a new video goes live. I make a new video every Friday, and come back for more and let me know what else you want to see. If you want me to bake something else and decorate it, let me know. Like this video if you liked this video, and I'll see you next week. Bye.